Hello, my name is Yulesi Toribio, and today we will be talking about a kidnapping that occurred in Tenares. The video of a security camera captured the moment of the alleged kidnapping of a man in Tenares, Hermanas Mirabal province, close to the baseball game. The young man was identified as Dervin Capellan, whom they described as a recognized criminal from the city of Tenares and what alleged had recently been released from jail. Unofficial data indicated that Capellan was kidnapped by unknown persons last Saturday when he was in the place of the aforementioned city. The body of the young man was found this Monday morning floating in the waters of the Lisey River after he was allegedly executed by unknown persons. Residents of the La Guama Bajo community revealed to the La Vega Noticias portal that on Saturday night they heard several shots at the bridge that connects the Naranjal community with Lisey Joya Grande. They asserted that from a white jeep they lured a person who has shot and whose body fell into the river where he was found yesterday morning. So far the authorities have not offered further details of the incident. This news has shocked the community of Tenares, saying they are afraid that we're looking for a criminal. Something could happen to the good young people of their community, and they assure that they heard several shots that could kill someone. It is all on my part. I hope it helped you to communicate on the subject. Thank you for your attention. To Lacy Toribio say goodbye with love. Bye bye.